Hi there, I'm Krista, the maker behind Oud Form. Here is my quick guide to some of the most common hardware and terms you will encounter when talking about lamps and shades. The harp is the arched piece of hardware that attaches the shade to the base of the lamp. Harps come in different heights in 1-inch and 1/2-inch increments. If you are interested in changing the height of your lamp or the shape of your shade, this is the place to start. The finial screws onto the top of the harp and stabilizes the shade. Finials come in endless styles and finishes. They can easily be changed to freshen up the look of your lamp. The saddle is a U-shaped piece of hardware attached underneath the socket. The harp clicks into the saddle to hold it in place. The socket is where the light bulb is screwed into the lamp base. Sockets are rated to handle certain wattage light bulbs. This is why you may see a 100-watt sticker on your socket, but the lamp packaging may only say 60 watt. Always follow the recommended wattage for the lamp and not the socket. The lamp recommendation takes the size of the shade into consideration. An adapter is a piece of hardware used to modify your lamp, allowing it to use a shade that it wasn't originally designed for. For example, many vintage lamps use Euro rings rather than spider rings. With the use of an adapter, a spider ring can be used on these lamps. An Uno slip adapter is a modified saddle that allows you to use a harp with your lamp. A clip-on adapter attaches to the light bulb and allows you to use a spider ring shade without a harp. This adapter works best for small lamps, and especially for shades that are too short to use a harp. Shade rings refer to the shade hardware that create the framework of the shade and allow it to attach to the lamp base. The word fitter can also be replaced by the word rings. For example, an Uno fitter is the same as an Uno ring. Spider rings have spokes that meet in the center at a small metal washer. The shade drop is the distance the washer is recessed into the center of the shade. The industry standard for a spider drop is a 1/2 inch. That means that the washer is a 1/2 inch lower than the top of the shade. Uno rings have a thicker center ring with a rolled appearance. The Uno fitter is designed to slip over the lamp socket. The spokes most often stem from the top of the shade. Euro rings have a flat disc in the center that is designed to slip over the lamp socket. It is sandwiched in place by a threaded ring. Euro ring spokes stem from the bottom of the shade. Shades with Uno or Euro fitters often have a much larger drop than 1/2 inch. There isn't a standard drop measurement for these hardware styles, as the goal is to get the light bulb to rest in the middle of the shade. This is a much more custom option that varies per lamp design. The light switch turns the lamp on and off by a pull chain or knob near the socket. A line switch turns the lamp on and off by a switch attached to the cord, most often used for small lamps where this may be difficult to get your hand into the shade. Well, you've got the basics covered. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments.